ASTA Tech Center presents Primavera P6 lesson. Please like the video, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Primavera P6 Professional Fundamentals. Introduction to Primavera P6.
Introduction to Primavera. At the end of the course you will be confident in developing a robust plan, able to schedule the project and track the performance on different data dates. Primavera P6 login screen. In order to learn the program, you should have a copy of Primavera P6 professional software installed in your computer. Installation guide. What other thing you need is Primavera P6 professional installation guide. It is a PDF file, can be downloaded from ASTA Tech Center website. You also require the exercise workbook to practice the lessons. This PDF file can also be downloaded from ASTA Tech Center website. Get yourself ready. If you have already installed Primavera P6 professional software in your computer and downloaded the exercise workbook, then get ready to start with the first module or lesson, that is Introduction to Primavera P6.
Primavera P6 Professional Architecture. It is an enterprise application software, can be installed in two ways. Multi-user enterprise management system. Single-user standalone project management system. Standalone user. A standalone user enters all data himself and hence, all data are global. A standalone user is also a primary user, having full access to everything. He becomes an administrator.
Global enterprise users. Here in this case, data is entered once, and all get access to it. Introduction to Primavera P6. In this lesson, we will cover topics such as 1. Primavera P6 Professional User Interface. A. Menus and buttons. B. Screen layout. 2. User preferences. 3. Understanding Primavera P6 tools. 4. Global enterprise data. User interface. In the login screen, enter the username and user password. And then click OK. By doing so, user interface of Primavera P6 appears. The main screen has 6 major elements. On top it has a menu bar, which gives access to all main features of Primavera. A sets of toolbars are present. Below menu bar which gives quick access to the features. Those are common to the views, often used during working in Primavera P6. On either sides of screen, there are 2 vertical toolbars, called tool groups. These provides additional access to features and functions, mainly used in accessing and modifying during the use of Primavera P6.
The screen you see now is the Primavera P6 interface screen. On the top, it has the menu bar. Below the menu bar, there is a horizontal toolbar having sets of tool groups. The central portion of the screen is the layout area. It is again divided into 2 parts. Bottom and top layout. Left side of top layout is a tabular area, like that of a spreadsheet. Right side of the top layout is the graphical area, and is called Gantt chart area. Bottom portion of the screen is the detail layout area, having number of tabs for different purposes, and can be customized. Either sides of the screen, there are sets of toolbars, called tool groups. Bottommost is the status bar, provides detail about user, date, access mode and baseline etc. Tool groups in Primavera P6. Other than the main horizontal tool groups and 2 vertical tool groups, there are sets of tool groups present under the file menu. Among those, the first set of tool are new, creating a new project, opens, opening of an existing project, and close all, closing all projects. Second set are page setup, print preview, and print. Third set under project architecture are import, export, send project to, check in and check out, import from contract manager and select project portfolio. User preferences. User preferences in Primavera P6 are active all the time during the use of the software. First among user preferences that you should set are the time units that Primavera will use for activities and their resources. The time unit settings control the way Primavera P6 displays and manages values of activity durations and resource assignments. User preferences can be set by activating User Preferences window and selecting User Preferences from drop-down list of Edit menu. In subsequent lessons, User Preferences tabs for settings will be discussed in detail.
Global Enterprise Data List, Global Calendars, Cost Accounts, Global Activity Codes, Project Codes, Resources, Roles, Shift Calendar, User-defined fields and so on. Global data are present, outside any project, are accessed by all projects and hence, not get deleted when a project is deleted. Primavera Software Demonstration, Fundamental Topics.
In order to activate Primavera P6, look for the Primavera icon. From status bar, click the Primavera icon. Provide the login name and password and then click OK. Primavera software interface has appeared. The interface screen has the following. At top, it has menu bar, having number of submenus. Below the menu boss, it has a horizontal toolbar. It is similar to the window interface. On either sides of the screen, it has two vertical toolbars, called the vertical tool group. At the bottom, it has a status bar. The central portion of the screen is again divided into two parts, bottom and top layout, separated by a horizontal scroll bar. Bottom layout is called the detail layout. Top layout area is divided into two parts by a vertical scroll bar. The left portion of the layout is a tabular area like that of a spreadsheet. The right portion of the layout is the graphical area, called as Gantt chart area. Setting of user preferences can be done by activating the User Preferences dialog boxes. Click the Edit menu and select User Preferences. User Preferences dialog box opens up. It has number of tabs. Detail about the User Preferences settings will be discussed in subsequent lessons.
Closely observe the steps so that you get familiar with the sequence of operations. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon.